Aren't we? He's looking for that sneeze, buddy. What's that red spot on its forehead? You see this shit?
That's just... There is somebody stinky here. Oh,
what?
You powerful little man.
You got hiccups there, buddy?
Yes, it's starting to come over him now.
Well, he loves being in here, dude. You see how freaking awake he is? He always smiles and everything when he's in here. Look at him smiling, Rolla.
Goody goody. Smile for the camera. For the camera boy. Pitty 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 pitty. Pitty 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 pitty. There he is.
Got one more?
Yes,
I got it. But I didn't get the voice thing that he does.
Yeah.
It's so funny when he does the voice. Sebastian.
Ready for the next time, okay? Ready? Ready? There we go. Hey. Okay.
Sebastian, mommy.
Okay, I'm
What does
getting
that
mad.
look? Look at that look.
He's pooping. Look at his.
Are you pooping?
Look at this.
Oh my goodness. He must be pooping.
I don't know.
What is that?
That's weird. What's going on?
What's he got his nose, nostrils doing that?
There we go. He's come to normal now.
You were pooping, weren't you? Pooping.
Aww.
I'm just waiting for what he's going to do next. Looks like he's getting ready to do something. He's just like, Daddy, what are you going to do next? Encore. Look at him, he doesn't know what to make of that. He's like, what on earth is that thing?
Alright, I'm hungry, Daddy.
Alright, go eat.